Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. So this is a quick update on how we can speed up the feed creation for our website. Now in certain cases you might be handling a website where the shelf life of the content is, let's say, 1 day or less than 24 hours, and you need to instantly spread out this news or spread out that content whenever you publish it in that very day and within a matter of few hours or few minutes. In fact, now whenever we are using any kind of feed for the website to distribute that news or distribute that content across multiple channels, in that case the default feed that we use, it takes around 24 hours. So WordPress has this default time frame of 12 hours to refresh the feed of content. So if we want to reduce this 12 hours of default time frame for WordPress, how do we do that? So just to make this case more clear, over here what you can see is in this particular feed of this website. So this website is having some news articles that are regularly published. So even today there was some news articles that were published. So every day the articles are getting published, but the feed is actually capturing the news article a day after. So whatever you get over here, this is from 30th August of 2021, and today the date is 31st of August. So you don't get the real-time or instant updates on your feed. So to ensure you are getting the real-time updates and you are able to distribute this news across other channels in real time, we just need to add one short snippet of code that will alter this default functionality of WordPress to refresh the feed every 12 hours. Now I'll quickly show you how to add that particular code and what that code will be. So the code will be shared in the video description. Now in order to do that, you can simply get into your WordPress dashboard, theme editor, and the functions.php file. You can just simply add the snippet of code in the functions.php file. Now in case you are not very comfortable on playing around with your functions.php file, you don't want to ruin the default settings of your WordPress theme, in that case you can get into plugins and install a plugin that will allow you to insert additional PHP functions to your website, and that plugin would be code snippet. So whenever you search for code snippet, you'll find this particular plugin, code snippet. Now this is one of the most popular plugins for additional code insertion for WordPress. Now once you activate this particular plugin on your system, you can simply get into the code snippets area and then add a new snippet. So over here I'm gonna add a new snippet and I'm gonna add the code over here. So it's already written PHP, so this is a PHP function that I'm gonna add right now. So whenever you add this code, it primarily means that you are changing the default update cycle of WordPress to a lesser time frame, that is anywhere between 30 to 60 seconds. Now this is something that we are adding additionally. So this is the code snippet that you need to add. So just for our convenience, I'm going to add this particular tagline over here so that I can identify what this code is all about in future. So for quick feed refresh, now once I save it and I'm allowing it to run everywhere, this particular code snippet will allow us to refresh the feed every 30 to 60 seconds, and that's where when you'll get a real-time update on your feed and you will be able to distribute your news across other channels in almost real time. So yeah, that's all from this particular video. If you have any other queries, if this particular solution do not solve your problem, please let me know in the comment section. Would be happy to help you out there. So the primary challenge over here was we were struggling with the default refresh time of WordPress. So we have just changed the default refresh time to less than 60 seconds using this snippet of code. Thank you so much.